Today I will show you advanced SEO settings for your Blogger website, helping you to improve your blog's visibility in search engine rankings. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Blogger dashboard and go to settings. And here basic settings, we have to do the title. You should write a compelling and respective title, including your targeted keyword. Aim for between 55 to 60 characters, above which Google will truncate your text. For example, go to Google search and type digital marketing tips, and this is the title and this is the description. Now copy title and here add the title and click save. As you can see, title is being changed here after we pasted. And for description, you should write a concise and appealing description that encourages the user to click on your link in search results like this. If you write this description appealing and encouraging, then only the user will click on your link in search results. And aim for between 155 to 160 characters, above which Google will truncate your description. As see here dot dot, it is truncating. And copy the description here and paste. It is 157 characters. Click on save. Then blog language is English, as it is in English, and Google Analytics measurement ID. And here you have to copy paste your Google Analytics measurement ID. Already I have created a video how to create Google Analytics account to your blogger website. I will place the link on the description. And favicon. And about the favicon is that favicon is a small icon like this at the left bar. When you visit your website URL in the address bar, this is favicon, a small icon. And many websites use a custom favicon as a means of adding a professional touch. Whereas in Google's blogging platform Blogger it allows its users to display favicons to help brand their blogs. And the default icon is Blogger official logo. This is the Blogger official logo, which we can replace it, and it is and it should be less than 100 KB. Select your favicon should be square image of about 48 by 48 pixel or 96 by 96 pixels. And then click on save. We added the favicon. To see the to check whether your favicon is added, we have to check in incognito window. View blog. As you can see here, the icon is not changed. So let us check in incognito window. Copy the URL. As you can see, our favicon is changed to our logo. In this way, you can change your favicon. And after the favicon, here click on this on so that your blog is visible to search engines. And this is the blog address. We can change your blog address here. Here, if it is available, then only you can change. Okay. Then here custom domain. Here you can buy a domain, any domain you want. Okay, here we can buy the domain, and here this is HTTP redirects, redirect. This protocol hypertext transfer protocol, secure protocol. So we have to select it on, and this is blog admins and authors, and you can give here any authors, invite any authors. Here you can invite authors. You can give access to of your blog to any person whom you want to post articles in a blog, or moderate comments, like that. And here post section, maximum post shown on May 7, and this is comment section. And next this is posts and email, and is format your time zone to your according to your country. And here you can also change your header, date header format. Okay, select whichever you want. And then here meta tags. Here if you go for new post, as you can see here only these settings are permalink, locations and options. Okay, let's go back to dashboard, and after go to settings, and now you enable the meta tags. You enable search description. Now see new post. Now refresh the page. Now you can see here the search description option. You can here you can write the description of the post, about the article you are posting, and try to include the target keywords in your description. This is about the meta tag settings. Here custom 404 and custom redirects. You can here use your direct redirects. This will add from one page to another page if you want to redirect it. Temporary, then no need to check this. If you want permanent redirect, then click this on. It will redirect permanent. And now next is enable custom robot text. And next comes to crawlers and indexing. Here we have to enable the custom robots.txt. The purpose of robot.txt is a file which tells search engines like Google crawlers to crawl to crawl which URLs to be crawl and index. And this is useful to avoid overloading of requests. Avoid overloading of requests. And it is not the mechanism to keep the web page out of Google search engine. So here we have to write here custom robot text file has to paste. For that, go to Google and type blogger sitemap. Blogger sitemap, and go to this website, and here paste your blog URL. And click generate XML sitemap, and here from user agent copy this and paste here, and click save. Okay, then enable custom robot header tags, and in home page tags we have to tell which home page tags which pages to be indexed. Select all and no DP, and click save. For archive and search page tags, click select no index and no DP, and click save. For post and pages tag, select all and no DP, click save. And in this section, Google Search Console, I've already made a video about how to set up a Google Search Console account for your Blogger website. I will place that video URL on the description. Please check it out. And to submit the sitemap, click on this Google Search Console and go to here left, go to sitemaps, and here just write sitemap.xml and then click on submit. As you can see, your sitemap is successfully submitted. These are the pages discovered. So in this way you can submit your sitemap successfully. In conclusion, by implementing these advanced SEO settings, you can improve your blog's visibility in Google search engines and attract more users. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found these tips helpful. Be sure to subscribe our channel for more exciting content. Happy blogging. Take care. Bye.